Hi, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now this is the final day to fix the road here on our side. Because this is the last one, I think. On the other side is done already. Oh, don't go out. Don't go out. Stay inside. Stay inside. Oh! Inside, hurry up! Hurry up!
All right, so they are now finally here, and today's Monday the 26th. They're here to pour the last stretch of the street here, and we'll show you in a video. This is gonna be noisy. There's dogs around. There's a noise everywhere, so we'll see what we can do. I'm glad they came out a little earlier. My last footage was so dark because it was all done around 9 p.m. And there's a big crowd watching too. But anyway, this is going to be great. It's for the last few days it's been hard to get in and out of the house. I have to come in on that little thing there and drive up and wiggle the car, no, not the car, the bike in. And it looks good. It's gonna be great. They're coming down this way. And, we'll get it at the end. Everybody's out there watching. This is a little excitement for everybody. And we've got a bunch of kids here in our carport. Zane, what are you doing? Are you watching? You good? Zane looks a little surprised. He doesn't really know what's going on there. They're all hard workers, for sure. This is all handmade. Okay, so here's the view from inside our garage. So once this dry up, we're gonna have to mix some concrete and get some sand in here and mix some concrete and flatten it out. But it looks like it's pretty level with our side. I think our neighbor will have a problem there as their yard is looking fairly low. But we'll see. So it starts looking good. So it looks like maybe one more truck of concrete. It's amazing how much they can carry, really. Trying to smooth it out. It looks pretty good, actually. So they're waiting for the next truck. I think there'll be one more and that should be it. And here comes the next truck. I think that's the truck. is gonna be so nice. We have waited for this for over 2 years. Alright, here's still some more. Can't say they don't work hard. They're doing a lot of hard work, physical work, moving that concrete. This is the main road coming into the barangay here. Alright guys, this is at the end of it. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified when we have new upcoming videos, and God bless.